Hey peoples, here just to give you a quick update for my weekly updates. Remember I was building a bulkhead with a herringbone design out of pallet pieces. Well, that didn't turn out like I wanted it to, so this is what I've got going on now. I went and got some more eastern red cedar, and this one here is almost done. The reason why I went with this is because it's all the same level. I don't have to do a whole lot of sanding, and it's almost completely done. Just got a few pieces I've glued in today, and then tomorrow I'll cut it to size, and I'll finish sanding it down, and it'll be. And then I'll probably let me know what you think. Think about doing a glaze coat on this, but I'm not sure yet. I'll get your opinion on it. Either that or I'm going to do polyurethane on it. One or the other. Don't know which one yet, though. Got something else to show you, though. Actually, I got two other things to show you. This is one of them. But this was the main thing. This is my battery rack for my bus. And that's the inner part. This is the outer part, goes over top the wheel well. I had to do a curved bracket there, slanted bracket. Put all these little notches on it, or these little tabs. That's where the battery sits, so it does, and they don't move around. And once it's done and mounted in, I also welded on these rings here for tie-down straps. All these bolts, all these mounts right here. Got 4 for the inboard side and 3 legs. The reason why I don't have a third leg on here is because this sits on top of the wheel well and it ain't gonna go nowhere. But all these bolt holes are gonna have grade 8 bolts in them going through the floorboard. The same way with that one down there. I've already had it in the bus, obviously, to test fit it. Everything worked, everything fit fine. I didn't put the batteries in it while I was in the bus because the batteries are too heavy. And I'll show you a picture of the batteries right here, right now. I'll have, and then that's with the batteries on the rack, and then another one over here right now with it without the batteries on the rack. And some of those are probably without the tabs on it, the lock-in tabs. But anyhow, I just finished painting it and put it in the bus and mount it. This, you might ask, what is this? Well, this is going to be what I call a bus ramp. 20 inches wide by 24 inches long. And both tires on the back of the bus will fit on this. I've already measured for that. So then I'm going to have another piece of 2 by 2, or actually, excuse me, 1.5 by 1.5. It's going to be welded from here to here and go about 2 or 3 feet that way. So that way, when the bus backs onto it, it won't tilt up. And I'll put, there's going to probably be, I'm not sure what I'm going to do here yet, whether I'm going to weld pieces, more pieces across there for the bus to sit on, or whether I'm going to do angle iron upside down so that it has traction. Haven't decided yet. That's another one you can give me your recommendation on, as I'll probably still be working on this for another week or so. The welds are really, really good. So what I may end up doing, this is a very good possibility, I just thought of this, is weld another leg in here, another leg in over there, and another leg in the center. Probably 3, one in the center and one on either side. Haven't decided yet for sure, but I just came up with that idea. So anyhow, that's what's been going on. This is only a couple days from going in right here, this battery rack. I'm not sure when I'm going to put it in though, because there's a few things that need to be done before it goes in, inside the bus that is. This has been a slow week since it was Thanksgiving. Didn't get a whole lot done. So I appreciate you tuning into my channel, watching my videos. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and share it. Also, please subscribe and be safe. Thanks for watching.